How to freeze your location on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now at the bottom left corner, you can find this location icon. Click on it. With that, your map will open up. Now at the top right corner, you will find this settings icon. Click on it. At the very top, you will see the option of ghost mode. Toggle on for it. When enabled, your friends can't see your last active location. You can set it to 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. I'm gonna set it to until turned off. Once enabled for this option, you can close this. Now you can launch your settings app. Now scroll down, head towards the option of Snapchat. Once you find it, open it. Now click on the option of location. Now you have to set it to never. Once you customize these settings, your location on Snapchat account will be freezed. Well, this is how you can easily freeze your location on Snapchat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.